All right, hello. So if we're going to be working on graphing today, if this page looks different than the page that you have, then you can refer to the other video. I gave out two different versions of this graphing page for different students. So if this doesn't look the same as the page in your packet, then you can refer to the other one. All right, so today we're going to be working on graphing. The directions say, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. So we're going to count each number in these rows. Answer the questions about the graph. Okay, so let's look at what the words are. We're going to be counting doctor, event, hospital, cruise ship, concert. Those are the words that we're focusing on. So let's start with the first one, doctor. How many symbols are in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. So you are more than welcome to pause the video and find the answers yourselves, and then just come back to the video when you want to, kind of check your answers. Or you can just pause the video if you think that I'm going too fast. The next word is event. Event has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Event has 5 symbols. 5. Okay. The next word is hospital. Hospital has 1, 2. Just 2. The next word is cruise ship. Cruise ship has 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last word is concert. Concert has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
So we're going to use these numbers here to answer these questions here. Okay, so let's look here. We have doctor has 7, event has 5, hospital has 2, cruise ship has 4, concert has 6. All right, so let's look. Which word has the most symbols? Most. The word that has the most symbols means, which one do you think has the most symbols? I'll give you a moment to think about this. So the word that has the most symbols is doctor.
Doctor.
Here we have 7. That is the most. Doctor has the most symbols. Let's look at number 2. Which word has the fewest symbols? Fewest is the one we're looking for. Which word has the fewest symbols? I'll give you a moment to look it over. Fewest symbols. The answer is hospital.
Hospital.
Hospital only has 2. That's it. That's the fewest amount of symbols that they have. Now we're going to be looking just at the numbers over here. All right, we're going to be looking at the numbers. It says, what is the highest number? What number is our highest? Give you a moment to look at that before I tell you the answer. The highest number is 7.
7.
Doctor has the highest number of 7. So the next question asks, what is the lowest number? Which number is the lowest? And so I'll give you a moment to look for that. We're looking at the numbers over here. The lowest number is 2. 2. So doctor has the highest, hospital has the lowest. This one asks, do any words have the same number? Does any of them have the same numbers? Let's look at the numbers. We have 7, 5, 2, 4, and 6. Are any of them the same? Let's check. No. They're all different.
No.
Let's look at number 6. Are there more event symbols or concert symbols? Which one has more? Events here or concerts here? Well, let's see. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 concerts here. So is 5 a big more or 6 more? Which one is more? The answer is concert.
Concert.
Concert has more than events. 6 is more than 5. Number 7 asks, how many more doctor symbols are there than cruise ship symbols? So it's asking doctors and cruise ships over here. So doctors has how many? It has 7. So we're going to put 7.
7.
And then we're subtracting, minus, right? So 7 minus what? Our cruise ship. How many cruise ships do we have? We have 4. So we're going to put 4. I don't think it's letting me click that. Let me move things up a little bit. Cruise ship has, sorry for the technical difficulties. All right, there we go. Cruise ship has 4.
4.
So now we're going to do, what is 7 minus 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3.
3.
7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, and that's it.